Some big news in MindStudio. You can now generate custom user interfaces for not only the user input block, generated asset block, and checkpoint block, but also now for the menu block. This saves you time from having to use, for example, a user input block to use a choice menu there and then use a logic block following. Instead, now you can just use a menu block. Let me show you two interesting ways to do this. Now, the first one here, I'm going to run in draft mode. And here you can see that you could design HTML-styled user interfaces that are web responsive. This is a very generic-looking user interface. It doesn't have a branding on it, but you can put on your logo, your color palette, what have you. And this is a great way to now provide a menu. Let's say I select cat. And generate an image of a cat. But let me show you another way to use a menu input block. A menu block. I'm going to set this as an entry workflow, and you can design more interactive, creative experiences for your users via a menu block. Now I'm going to run this one again in draft. And now notice how there's this broad-looking interface where I can navigate to whether I want to have a cat or a dog. And notice I'm using arrow keys to select which way do I want to go. And you can see how I'm navigating toward one or the other. And let's say this time I'm going to select dog. So you may have heard that is very basic, where you could add sounds into your menu blocks. And notice now this time it's going to the dog because that is the option that I selected, as if it was like either a native menu block interface or the typical form style menu interface like I showed a moment ago. But now you can design very interactive, interesting menu block interfaces for your users. Here we now see the dog. So this is a great way, a great new improvement in MindStudio to design menu blocks with a more unified look and feel end-to-end for your users. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.